Yeah.
If it ain't natural, then it ain't real.
Ooh, we gon' be kicking tonight, we gon' be slipping tonight, ripping the night away. Ooh, when the time is right, under the full moonlight, we'll rip the night away.
If this was the last joint that we ever rolled up tight, I'd want to be with good friends underneath that open sky. Play some mellow music, throw our dreams into the fire. Release all the demons, send our souls on uprising.
We gon' be kicking tonight, we gon' be sipping tonight, ripping the night away. When the time is right, under the full moonlight, we'll rip the night away. We gon' be kicking tonight, we gon' be sipping tonight, ripping the night away. When the time is right, under the full moonlight, we'll rip the night away.
We're stunting in the world like some good times and good vibes, surrounded with your friends and your family by your side. All the time we spent together, going out, having fun, doing the things we do. This lifestyle's got us on the run. Life's too precious, every moment make it count. Some days you're on top, some days you're down and out. This life's a gift and I'ma shine my light. So sit back, relax, get high with us and kick it tonight.
We gon' be kicking tonight, we gon' be sipping tonight, ripping the night away. When the time is right, under the full moonlight, we'll rip the night away. We gon' be kicking tonight, we gon' be sipping tonight, ripping the night away. When the time is right, under the full moonlight, we'll rip the night away. Take me to the mountain high where I can smoke a bowl in peace while I drive out on the back road with my sunroof open on my way to meet the friends. We gather and talk and then we build a fire and chill for the night. Catch up on old times over a few Bud Lights. We just sit